How to reset iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general and then scroll down in last. Here you see the option transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Here you can reset all settings, reset network settings, reset keyboard dictionary, reset home screen layout, reset handwriting style and reset location and privacy. Here you can reset all these settings from here and erase all content and setting. Here you can erase all content and setting. It will erase all your phone data, personal, all the data. So this is the way to reset iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.